Birthday list off with Ryzen Herlocker rocking the stage right there. Ryzen is turning 6. Jam on, kid. He's in Girard.
All right, and Rylan Smith is turning 8 years old this year. What a beautiful smile there, sweetie. In Joplin. Happy birthday, Rylan.
Paige Earl turning 24. A little beach picture right there. Happy birthday to Paige.
All right, and Denny Gillard. His birthday was actually yesterday, but we're going to keep the party going today. Turning 49 years old in Girard. Happy birthday, Denny.
And Joe Mack and Debbie Fager Mack celebrating their 43rd anniversary. I'm digging the picture, Max. That's pretty cool. Congratulations to Joe and Debbie.
Good job not smiling there. I know that was tough. Love that picture. Elena Bab Adsit celebrating birthday number 25. Elena is in Miami. And Drake Bassard is down in Columbus. Happy birthday.
Hey, happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this April 22nd. That's where you can send them into if you go to our website. I'll go bottom to top here. Go to our website. It's komnewsnow.com/birthdays. If you do the email route, remember it's birthdays plural, birthdays@koamtv.com. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
If you go to our website, that's how you can become a part of the KOAM Birthday Club as well. All you have to do is sign up. Once you do, you get special deals from local businesses. Go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for that KOAM Birthday Club today.
Pretty